So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and tonight we have a very sad news about the Jamaican 4x400 meter qualification. And in this video, what I'll be doing is I'll be explaining every single detail you need to know about the Jamaican, whether the Jamaicans are going to the Olympics or not. I heard a very sad news this morning, and I want to share every single detail with you. So Jamaica as a nation has never failed to qualify from the 400 meter down to the 100 meter, but this time around there's actually a very sad news in the town. So before I continue with the breaking news, in case this happens to be your first time here, please do me a favor to make sure you like this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Jamaica is known as the sprint factory nation, but it seems like they are gradually losing their title as the sprint factory nation. Because how in the world will Jamaica not be able to qualify for an opportunity to run in the 4x400 meter? Now this is the news in details. So breaking news, the Jamaican unfortunately will not have the men 4x400 meter team at the 2024 Paris Olympic after finishing in a time of 2 minutes 59 seconds point 75 at the New Life Invitational in Bahamas, missing 2 minutes 0.59 seconds 0.11 that was required. We congratulate the college athlete that answered the call and ran all alone while giving in their best shot at qualifying. The disappointment is palpable, but we are resilient nation and we will be back. So what this means is Jamaica has officially missed a chance of going to the Paris Olympics in the 4x400 meter team after failing to beat up a time of 2 minutes 59 seconds 0.11, while the time they ran was 2 minutes 59.75 instead of 11. So it was definitely a big disappointment to Jamaican 4x400 meter team, and the whole wide world is shocked that Jamaica are failing to qualify in a field that the whole wide world knows they are very good at. Yes, Jamaica are very good in the middle distance racing. We don't know what is really happening, but it seems like there has to be issue somewhere. Definitely there has to be issue somewhere. Let me know your opinion in the comment section.